Kerry Crawford, Product Manager for VIAVI Flight Line Test Solutions, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to run through a quick test using the AVX-10K. Test this Garmin on 345 and 750. Let's do a FAR 43 Appendix F transponder test. This is going to be like doing your 91 413 test. Okay, so let's go ahead and launch the application. Right. What we're going to do is we're going to run through the setup real quick. In the setup, what we're going to do here is we're going to select which port we're going to actually test from. So I'm direct connected to this transponder. After that, then we're going to select cable settings. We're going to make sure, it's very important that we have the cable loss and the cable length put in here. After we have the cable settings, we're going to do a auto detect on the UUT address or on the MODES address. So let's do that, and then we're done. So now let's just go back.
Bearing checks, it's a lot more. I don't know, you gotta make something that...
All right, let's go ahead. We're all set up now. Let's run the test. And what we have here is we have a window that pops up just to verify that the configuration for the 10K was set up properly. It looks correct, so let's go ahead and continue the test. So what we're doing now is we're doing just the FAR 43 Appendix F test requirements only. There's other test configurations on here, the generic MODES test, for example, which also includes European requirements. It tests ELS, EHS, for example. So this test overall will run for about 45 seconds, and then you're done.
Good. Yeah. Well, there's lots of new stuff.
As you can see on our 345 and our 750, we have a GPS lock, so as soon as we're done here, we can run an ADSB auto test also.
The ADSB, so we have the tail because the sky maker. Even though
Okay.
it's ADSB, most of the time they're just going to it.
All right, we're now at 100%, so the test is done. Only took about 45 seconds. Once we're done with the test, what we want to do is we're going to hit Save Data. When we hit Save Data, that's going to auto-populate the report name. It's going to give you a nice clear pass on the report name, along with time stamping the report name, along with the tail number and the MODES address of the aircraft that you just tested. Now that we're done with that, we're going to save that data. So that data is now populated on the AVX-10K. We can now pull down our report menu here, hit Review Reports, and right here on your screen, you're going to see that we have a nice report. Now that report is exportable via USB, or next time we sync up the AVX-10K, we'll sync it to Stratasy, and you can pull it down from the Stratasy page. And you can then save that report to your own network, and this is what the report's going to look like. It's going to give you a nice 2-page front-back report. It's going to have all the information here for the aircraft, the report name. Down here it's going to have information about the tester. It's going to give you a calibration date, which is really good to have. It's going to show you any pass-fail criteria that's going to be color-coded if it's a failure. And that's it.